Welcome back, my YouTube friends and family. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another work from home job lead for you. This one is from huge airline Delta, and they are hiring an elite services associate. This is remote for the United States folks only. The best part about this is they're requiring no experience whatsoever, and they are going to offer an 11-week virtual training program. We're going to dive all into it. Just know if you're interested in applying, the links to this page are in the YouTube description box below this video. So as an elite service associate, you are going to be working on a customer service team that is focused on listening to, caring for, and connecting with the customers with a specific focus on their Diamond Elite agencies. You'll answer calls in an efficient, courteous, and accurate manner and assess customer needs and offer solutions and additional products. Now, you're going to connect with customers via phone and create an experience where customers know they've been heard, understood, felt, and valued by you and the company Delta. This is going to require some effective listening skills, actively searching for solutions to the customer's problems, making quality decisions quickly, and interacting with a globally diverse range of customers. Now, this is a full-time work-from-home position, again offering 11-week paid virtual training. They start payout at $14.25 an hour, and you have an opportunity to bump that up to $15 an hour based on your performance and attendance in your first 6 months of employment. Now, on top of the pay, they do offer a standard benefit package that includes medical, dental, vision, 401k, and paid time off. Now, one thing to note, the new hire training is going to take place Monday through Friday, 8:30 a.m. to 5 o'clock p.m. Central Standard Time, and this training class is going to start on June 12th of 2023, so get those applications in. Now, if you're outside of the Central Time Zone, you'll need to convert your hours to make sure that that time will work for you. After training is done, your permanent shift will be given to you and could include evenings and weekends, so make sure you don't mind working some evenings and weekends. But as far as what they require, you need to be at least 18 years or older, have a high school diploma or GED, no college degree is required. Of course, be willing to work 40 hours in a week. You need to be able to multitask and be comfortable working on a computer with software applications. You have to have high-speed internet access because this is an online job. You need to be able to demonstrate clear verbal and written communication skills, be able to pass a background check, and embrace diverse culture and people. Now, it does say that 1 year of experience working in customer service will get you a competitive edge and bumped up to the top of the line, but that is not required. No actual experience is required for this position. All right, as always, if this job lead was not for you, that's okay. Please feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for. I do read those and keep that in mind. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.